Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Asghar Habib. So, dear friends, today in this video, I want to talk about Alaya AI. So, here you can also check out that has been already cooperated with Turkish and Benas as well. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you play and you can earn unlimited NFTs. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel, Pro Asghar Habib, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, the official website is Alaya AIAlaya.io, and I have placed link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So it is an open Web3 AI data platform inspired by Swarm intelligence ecosystems, and now you can also become a part of Web3 AI revolutions, and you can also find out our link in my video description. I will tell you how can you start play game and how can you collect your NFT, as well as this is also available on Google Play, and here you can also check out and already 50,000 plus downloads, and here you can also check out the snaps inside as well. Here you can also check out the interface, and you can also check this is a cool and amazing interface and user friendly. You can also play and collect your NFTs as well. Here you can also check that already 9 lakh plus registered users, and here you can also check out the 1 lakh and 10,000 plus daily active users, and here you can also check out the daily on-chain transactions detail as well. Now here we can also check out the AI industry landscape, and you can also check out the growth table as well from 2023 to 2030 as well. So AI is quickly become a part of every life, but AI data channels and training resources are gated by tech gates and remain largely inaccessible in the general public. So Alaya AI solves these problems by creating an open AI data platform to providing everyone with the opportunity to contribute AI training data and build open Web3 AI ecosystem regardless of their technical background as well. Now with Alaya AI, you can explore token and NFT incentives, distribution communities, enhance privacy, as well as intelligence optimizations and swarm intelligence and automatic labeling models as well. No, Alaya AI simplifies the decentralized AI data services through an engaging gamified UI and tokenized incentives that noise can access as well. The question is that how Alaya AI works. So Alaya AI connects a model developer with individual AI data provider through a gamified platform supported by Web3 communities and token NFT incentives as well. Here AI developers, and here you will check out the customer requirement as well as quality assessment, and then Alaya AI also AI data communicates here. So Alaya AI connect communicate data and AI through social commerce, providing the AI industry with high quality scalable data and full protection of its ownership and privacy as well. Here we can also check out Alaya AI task categories. The first one is general task, object recognition, visual perceptions, and text interpretations as well. The next one is specialized tasks, so expert knowledge, niche, and subcultures and non-standard dialects as well. The next one is advanced tasks, so multi-layered solutions, open-ended question as well. Now here you can also check out its roadmap as well. You can also learn more information here, and if you want to become a knowledge provider, then do you have any email, if you have your wallet, and then you have your social media, then you can claim your Alaya AI NFT right now. So let's check out how can you claim this one. So simply click on it and then you will come on this page, and here is loading, and then you can simply play this game, as well as you can also earn a lot of NFTs here as well. So defense here we need to choose our blockchain like Arbitrum or OpenBNB, and I recommended to all of you Arbitrum, and then we need to enter our email address here and need to click on the send button, and we can get verification code, and we need to put it here, and then simply we can get sign up here as well. So here we need to wait. So here you can also check that we have successfully got the code. Here we need to copy this one and then come on again, and here we need to paste address and then simply click on login. It's successfully here. So it is very easy way and user friendly. Here we are checking that welcome to the Alaya world. So next step here, this is your initial Alaya AI. So click OK button to collect it. So then here you will check out you have obtained your exclusive Alaya AI. Click on the task and exclusive training task for AI NFTs as well, and then we can do this easily here as well. So here you can do anything and as well. Now here we need to click on this button, and then here you will also check out the begins button to start your certification quiz here, and then you can also start here. So first here you need to check out this one and what are the people in the video doing. So they are cooking, are swimming, playing football and running. So selecting football and then simply click on the next button, and here we need to select the option with the same content as the pictures as well. So here we need to verify the first option is here the correct, and then next, and here give the answers to 17 plus 17 is equal to 34, and then click on the next button. Here give the answer of 3 plus 17 plus 36. Here we can also check out it is 56, and then click on the next button, and here what is the term used to describe the change in the total output resulting from a 1 of unit increase in the use of a particular input. So define the correct answer is marginal product. So here we click the submit button, and you have completed one certified attempt, successful, grant access to the active question bank, while failure acquired trying to certificate again. So we have done already. So dear fans, you can also check that, click the wallet button to view your skip as well. Now here we can also check out everything here, and we can check out wallet section and learn more information. So please build your wallet first. Build a wallet enables you to transfer your asset, and here we need to click on the bid button. You can choose any wallet which you have, like that MetaMask, OKX and BitGet, Trust Wallet or BNB wallet. So I'm choosing MetaMask, and here you can also check out the notification of the MetaMask. And dear fans, we can building a wallet enables you transfer our asset in our wallet as well. Now here we need to choose our account, click on the next and confirm button, and dear fans, it is connecting. You also check out. So first we need to sign in, and then you can also check out it is successful, and here you can also check out the address is here. We can also check out our token detail as well. So this is very easy way to play here, and you can also earn a lot of passive income here as well. So dear friends, this is an awesome project that can really help make a lot of profit as well. So I also recommend it to all of you, must be follow them on their social media to get latest news and updates as well. So this project can really help make a lot of profit as well. So don't miss this golden chance and must be play Alaya AI right now. I hope so you like this video. Share with friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.